Welcome to the Daily Intelligence Brief from IntelStor for the 29th of April, 2025. In today's top renewable energy news, ALTÉRRA has committed on $100 million to Indian renewable energy developer Evren. The capital will support the development and construction of up to 11 gigawatts of wind, solar, and battery storage projects in India, primarily across Rajasthan and Andhra Pradesh. Evren works closely with domestic manufacturers for equipment, such as wind turbines and solar modules, helping localize the clean energy value chain. Texas law requires wind and solar companies to fully decommission projects at retirement, removing all the infrastructure and restoring the land. But most retired wind turbines and solar panels are currently sent to landfills. Two bills which passed the Texas House in the last week seek to rectify those problems. AB 3228 by Representative Stan Lambert of Abilene requires renewable energy companies to recycle all components of the wind power facility or solar power facility practicably capable of being reused or recycled. AB 3229 sets reporting and financial assurance requirements for owners of recycling facilities. The government of France is launching a debate in the National Assembly today on the third multi-year energy program. The plan is a roadmap designed to keep France on the zero-carbon highway by 2050. The roadmap involves the reduction of the share of fossil fuels from 60% to 30% in the next 12 years, while increasing low-carbon electricity from nuclear and renewables from 27% to 39%. Wind farms with a capacity of 3.8 gigawatts and solar power plants with a capacity of 12.5 gigawatts are currently in various stages of development in Bosnia and Herzegovina. According to the transmission system operator Independent System Operator in Bosnia and Herzegovina, the goal of the new 10-year plan is to provide information on projects initiated for the construction of new production capacities to be connected to the transmission system. Energy Minister Makoto Chakotay has invited UK-based Echo 8 Investments Limited to establish clean energy operations in Zambia, as part of efforts to end load shedding and achieve energy security by December 2025. Echo 8 founder David Green has assured the minister that his company is ready to install solar, hybrid, and advanced storage systems. The systems feature patented 3D solar technologies and rooftop wind units, and the company has the capital necessary for the projects. You can learn more about all of IntelStor's market and sales intelligence offerings at www.intelstor.com and subscribe to our channel today.